It's raining tacos out of the sky, and I'm hungry, and I don't know what.
I'm hungry for donut.
Donut! I'm hungry for donut too. How about donut stew?
Put your eyes right, Bob.
Oh my god, I don't like it. Oh my god, I love it.
It's raining donuts in the sky. It's raining donuts. It's raining pizza. It's raining hot dogs, and I don't know why. What do you think, Em? What do you think, Em? It's raining Emily's. Don't eat the phone. Don't eat the phone.
Down.
Oh.
Down.
Peekaboo. Hello. What? There's me, Milan, and Emily on this couch, and Mama on the other couch. Notice how Mama's wearing a jacket because it's only
10 degrees in here?
no, it's like 12 degrees, so
12 degrees in
it's a
here?
little cold. That's because I don't know. Because it's a cold day out. It's raining. Ah. You got any cavities, young Muller? What is that? There's a worm in there.
No, in my tongue.
It's raining pizza and the garlic fingers. Okay, what do you got to say to all your YouTube friends? What are you going to say to all your YouTube friends? That's your tongue. Eat the phone. Is that good phone?
No. It tastes like wired.
Well, what do you got to say? It's raining tacos.
I so bored.
Yeet! Yeet! What's yeet mean? Yeet! 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 Okay, say goodbye to YouTube. Say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye.